Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of replacing the display on your Realme C2 smartphone. Let's get started. First, make sure you have all the necessary tools and replacements. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a suction cup, and a new display for the Realme C2. Begin by powering off your device and removing the SIM card tray. Now, carefully remove the back cover. Take your time and be gentle to avoid any damage. Next, unscrew the screws on the back panel using a Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are removed, lift the back panel off.